Good morning everybody, 30th of January, and that's my birthday today. 69 years old today, and I'm going to show you where we are. This is Udon Central Plaza up there. This is Udon Thani Railway, and to go to Nongkhai one way is 14 baht. Yeah, so 11 baht works about 18 pence in English money to go to Nongkhai by the train. Very, very cheap. So this is Udon Thani station here, and yeah, that's the ticket office. And right up the other end of that station here, up there is the toilets. So if you're looking for the toilets up there, not much on the station, because it's only a one track. Well, they've got two tracks here over there for the pull-ins for the container lorries and that. But this track here, they only use this one track. So if one train comes up and one's going down at the same time, there's a crossover down there, so one can cross there, and this one keeps on this side. Then down the bottom they cross back again to a single track. So Nongkhai is down that way. Then that's Udon main road and the railway crossing that goes to Bangkok. Down that way. So yeah, I go to Nongkhai today. So in the station here, they've got somebody, they sell pot noodles, coffee, like cakes and little sweets and just little knickknacks and that. That's all they do. So I'll show you the train when it comes, folks. That's my ticket. I'm in class 2, seat 32. Yeah, that's the ticket office just in there. When you come in through the main door there, over there. See that up there? So up from the entrance up the top there towards the toilets, you've got these little buildings here, like store areas. And then just at the end up here, you've got some old-fashioned good morning, where are we going?
I go on the pick up.
Yeah, you're picking me up in
Shall I get off first?
Old-fashioned scales that's like a package building. You bring your big packages there, weigh them on these big old scales. Then just here is the toilets, as I was telling you before, up there. And that's the end of the station. Over the road there, it's like police, railway police over there. So just waiting for the train to come.
Rapid train number 133 from Green Tepakiwat to Nongkhai. Passengers are traveling on this train. Please.
This is platform 1 and that's platform 2. As I said, if a train crosses over, if there's two trains coming, you can go on to platform 2. Train's coming now. I'll be doing this video now. As the train comes in, then I'll do another video when we're on the train going to Nongkhai. It's about 35 minutes to Nongkhai from here on the train. Just going to have a cup of coffee. And here comes the train that I'm going to go to Nongkhai on. express train. Okay folks, I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. We've got different seats. Right folks, we're off now. Train's leaving, so I'm going to turn this video off and do another one in a minute. See you soon.